So support those that support you. We're gonna put a set of boosted bulbs in the Forester today. Brian O'Connor from Boosted Bulbs sent these to me. And like I said, I figured I'd support those who support me and rock them in the Fozzie. So yeah, we're gonna see how I kind of took a before and after of the headlight just here in the garage, and I don't tell if they're just yellow and gross looking, and we're gonna see what these LEDs look like.
This comes off, lifts off of there. Just insert your bulb.
Oh yeah. Whew.
Push your bulb in. You're seated where you want her.
Oh yeah. That does work that way.
And then there's an O-ring there. So then you have to get this on there, seated on the O-ring. There you go. Turn that. Now you're seated, you got an O-ring, you're sealed. This goes in.
So there's the stock bulb. And then over here, that's the new bulb. That's pretty. So I didn't realize the Forester was H4 plugs, just like my old 73 pickup is. But there's the setup in there. It's got the relay in the middle of the line, and then the H4 plug plugs into the H plug 4 adapter to the car. Then you can see the back of the boosted bulb in there, how it nestled right in just like a regular white bulb. But that whole install was super easy on this side. This side's probably gonna be a little more fun because the battery is right here. So the battery box is there, but we're gonna tackle that next. But so far, those look killer, and I'm really happy with that. So hopefully this will inspire you guys to get your own boosted bulbs. And we'll be going in and price that OEM bulb. You see that little black piece of plastic comes off. So we're able to slide this right through the housing. And I'm assuming this goes for most makes and models. That probably comes off there to make your install easier. And then that just feeds through there, and then you can pull the gusset up over that O-ring till it seats. As my dad showed right now. And then that little thingy goes back over. Now that piece is actually what seats it inside the headlight. Those are the tabs that line up where the other bulb would have, so just like that. You're all good to go. That's another one ready to go right back in. Pretty simple. It only took probably a couple seconds. And now this is post boosted bulbs installation. And look how much brighter those bad boys are. I need new lenses. So yeah, that's a thing. So I'll get some new lenses, which I want to do anyways, because these ones are yellow and scratched, unless a repair kit can fix it. But look at how much, oh, those look so good. New banners on there, and got a boosted bulbs and the new 454 Media Turbo is all on the Fozzie. So there, you guys can see it better on this side. We're up in boosted bulbs too, because now you're actually running Set of boosted bulbs. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so that's low beam right there. And you can see those signs over there. We're lighting them up pretty good. I'm gonna zoom in there. Now this is high beams. You see how much lit up that street sign over there. These things are bright. You can see a lot further than the stock bulbs did. And the stock bulbs are bright too, but these are really bright. I don't care about the audio, I'll mix over it. Doesn't even matter if it's bouncy. So those are low beams right there. There's a street light up here, of course. You can't really tell that much because we're fogging out. So I turn the air off. Look both ways before you turn. You could look right there though, you can even see how much it lit up that barn. You can see those street lights. So that's another shot there. I'm gonna put the highs back on right now. That's highs, those are lows. There's highs again, lows. I'm gonna put highs back on, leave them on. You can see how far the highs light up the road in front of me. So not only are these better than factory OEM bulbs, they're safer because you see more of the road. You'll back off highs again. You even see off of high beams. So you see more side of the road there with highs, but then even lows. I'm seeing all edges of the road that I need to. All the ditches I could possibly go in. If there's snow on the edge of the road, if there's danger there, I'm seeing it all. So I'm pretty happy with these right now. They look awesome too. The color of them look a lot better than the yellow bulbs. So we'll do another stretch of road up here. You guys can see the highs again. We'll do highs again right here. Leave them on. So you can see like all the way up by that street sign we're just about to pass. You can see that from all the way back there. Hopefully the camera picks it up as well as our eyes do, but